Okay, one more time, okay, ladies? Okay, I'm ready. Okay, hold on. Okay. One more time. If I can ask Gina, take off the glasses. Yeah, take off, okay. Okay, one more time, ladies. This last shot for me, okay? I'm ready now. Yeah.
Just like I followed a fantastic president, Sheila Shulevitz, that we've got an upcoming fantastic president in Susan Emery Eisenberg. And we'll can carry on the tradition that's been going with CRF for quite some time. Susan? We have to be installed. Peggy and Frosine, would you please come up? We need Peggy to be official, and we need Frosine to install our new president.
Okay, normally this is done by Michael Messer, the Executive Director of ARC, but he's in Tallahassee today fighting for more money. So it is our great pleasure and great honor. And Susan, what could be more wonderful than to be installed by Frosine Sonderling? So, Frosine, the honors.
Repeat after me, Susan. I, Susan Emery Eisenberg.
I, Susan Emery Eisenberg.
Do solemnly support the articles of incorporation.
Solemnly support the Articles of Incorporation
And the bylaws of the Children's Resource Fund.
and the bylaws of the Children's Resource Fund, Inc.
And to faithfully carry out the responsibilities of my office.
And to faithfully carry out the responsibilities of my office
As
as
the new president.
as the new president.
For the 1993. Wait a minute, it's wrong. 1996 year, to the best of
You
my
know what?
ability.
This did say 1992, 93. Okay, 96, 97.
96, 97. To the best of my abilities.
Congratulations. Thank you.
When all Susan, we have an official installation in October, but we do this so the president can get started over the summer. Everybody knows that we have the September where we really do it in a special way. But Susan's officers who will be installed in September that are with us here today come up and have their picture taken with her. And you'll be officially installed in September. So we love the officers that are here. Eleni's here. Gina's here. Roth is here. Hildine is here. Is Kate Riley here? She was kind of, well, you know, she's a big vice president of Payne Weber. Desiree is here. Okay, we're going to step out and get...
Okay, one more for the office. One more for the office, the other two are for me.
Thank you all very much. I appreciate your confidence. I am honored to be here today and installed as the new CRF president. It will certainly be a challenge, considering all the wonderful, wonderful past presidents that CRF has had. I promise you, with my heart and soul, that I will do my best. And I know you all will help as well. Since joining CRF, I have made many treasured friends, which have enriched my life in countless ways. Now I feel it is my turn to repay this debt to CRF. This year, one of my priorities is a membership drive. New committed members are the lifeblood of any organization. So please, if you have some friends that you think would be interested, that you know, we have some membership blanks out on the table as you come in. Please take time and make it your best effort for these precious babies who need a little extra helping hand. And with your support, we will make a difference in their lives. Thank you again, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your support and encouragement. Now I have a big surprise, and we have with us today our new ball chairwoman for the 1997 ball. She also happens to be our wonderful hostess today, Gina Kelb.
You can stay with me, don't go so far. I thank you very much, and I promise this year, like my husband said, it would be a fantastic year. And it's going to be a lot of fun, because when you do something that you like, you have fun doing it. And we all like doing what we're doing. I'd like to introduce at this moment my co-chairmen. I'm not going to introduce them, they're going to be a fantastic co-chairmen, but they are not here, and I don't want to introduce them. Some of them, they don't even know they're here, but they don't know yet. So it's kind of a secret. But I would like to introduce a wonderful lady that she will be my honorary chairman. Her name is Gloria Haft. Gloria, please. Thank you very much, Gloria. Well, the only thing I have to say that we will have a great year. We are come, we all, and Helen.
Don't worry,
I'm not worrying. It's going to be a great year, and I promise you that. And from now on, just have lunch and have fun. Okay.
One more thing. Does anyone have anything to add in the business? If not, we would like a motion for adjournment from the floor. Okay. We have a second? Okay, let's have lunch.
Sheena?